Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial and a bunny costume. So if you want to learn how to get into Halloween, just keep on watching. I already put in my foundation and drew on my eyebrows. Basically did everything on my face except the eyeshadow. So we are going to be using the Naked 2, the Urban Decay Basic. We are also going to use Carli Bybel. I haven't used this, but I've been wanting to use it. It's just I haven't gotten a chance to do it. So we are going to use it today. The first thing I'm going to be putting on is this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm just gonna put it on my lid if I can get some. I'm just gonna apply with my fingers so I know that my eyelid has enough. There we go. And then I am going to be taking my Morphe M5004. I don't know if you guys can see that, blurry. And I'm going to be using the Naked. We are gonna go in with the Stark as a base because that one is just neutral. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. So just get all over your eyes, eyelid, not your eyes, eyelid. Then next I'm gonna take my Morphe M514. I'm going to pick up this color right here. I'm using this brush because the brushes are longer, so I can get all over my lid. Sorry, excuse me. This is a gorgeous color, kind of like a gold color. Then next, I am gonna go in with my Morphe 433. We are just going to pick up the color right next to it. And I'm just gonna go right under it. So with the first one, I went all the way up here, and with this one, I'm just going right up to here. So kind of like in the eyeball socket, halfway. then after that, I am going to use my Morphe M513, and we are going to go back to the Urban Decay. I'm just going to pick up that color Frisk, and we are just going to go right over it. But into the crease here, over it, right in the crease, and blend, blend, blend. You want to blend and then we're just gonna do that to the other side too. So after I did that to the other side of my eye, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. C brush. I am just going to pick up, this color right here, this first color. And then I'm just gonna put it on my lid, like so. This is such a pretty color. And for this, I'm not gonna use false lashes. I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and that's it, because I want it to be a neutral tone for my Halloween costume. I don't want to look all scary, you know, because that's not part of the costume. So I'm just gonna go and do my lashes, curl my lashes to Jesus, and then I'll be right back with the costume. Okay? See you guys in a bit. So for my eyelashes, I used this mascara primer from Norman. Sorry, excuse me. I used to use this this makeup line a long time ago, but it wasn't really close to me, the location. It was in Roseville, so I just stopped using it because they were further from me and I couldn't find another place that was closer. So I just pulled that out. Then I just finished it with the They're Real mascara for my lashes. So then for the mask, I am using this mask, bunny mask from Dolls Kill. I will link the link below. And then I am gonna pair it with either, there's two outfits. So this one is just a jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. I bought this and I did my haul this summer. So if you guys want to know where what's it called, just go to that video. And then the second outfit is this corset. I got this from Charlotte Russe when they had their $10 corset sale. I got this in a medium because it fit my top better. I like it because on the back here it's not really a corset. As you can see, it stretches, so I don't have to, you know, be all sucked in and tight all night. I'm gonna pair this with some either leggings or thigh highs, and then I am going to just wear some shorts with it. So I'm just going to insert the photos, and that's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any comments or suggestions for next year, just go ahead and leave it in the comment below. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.